Like a pose. Shoulder, shoulder out. Like a pose. Shoulder, shoulder, leg out. Shoulder, shoulder, leg out. Sexy.
Ang sikreto pala dyan, hindi ka dapat nakaupo ng todo.
Oo, nandun na sa dulo yung inyong mga ayan, mga Mars.
Yeah. Don't be heavy, get your foot like that.
Correct. Lalo na pagdating sa ating bukaka step. Isang bukaka step with feeling. Go with feeling. Di ba? Conservative. Ay, conservative si Pat, hindi conservative. Go, Pat. Conservative. Salala, last 4. Okay, tapos tatayo tayo. Tapos, step lang yan at step na ganyan. 8 step tayo. Pero babalik tayo, ipakita nyo kung gaano kayong ka-sexy from the back. Isang, ay, sorry. Ayan.
Never kong ginawa sa buong buhay ko.
Diba? I'm sure sila rin, mga Mars, diba? First time ninyo gagawin. Itulak na yung mga silya pagkatapos doon, okay?
Pagkakabi may balibag portion.
Oo. Tapos the rest, kailangan pati yung pagtulak in character. sexy pala,
Ladylike
ha?
pa dapat.
Di ba mga Mark? Ikaw, first time mo ba magsayo ng Metilia?
Matagal na, ma'am. Matagal.
Pero,
Before that, we would like to acknowledge
Again and again.
Jenica Garcia, anak ni G. At syempre, from American Idol, Jessica Steiner!
Good luck sa'yo.
From Phoenix,
Let's dance to the beat of Vogue by Madonna. Let's go! DJ Tom! Get it! Go! Okay, kembot lang ng ganito.
Hindi ako makakembot kay Jessica.
And ipot. Sampa. And one. Sampa. 2, 3, 4. And up. Sit. That's it. Strike a pose. Strike a pose. Shoulder, shoulder out. Shoulder, shoulder, leg out. Shoulder, shoulder, leg. Bukaka now. 2. 3. 4. Tayo. Leg, leg out lang ha. Leg out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross step. Pwedeng may arm kung gusto ninyo. Ready? Uupo tayo at tatalikod. Pose! Woo! Okay? Isa na. Bye-bye, chair. Go, tahe, tahe. Remember the tahe? And shake. Gusto pala yun. Kaliwa. Shake. Tuhan. Yan. Di ba ginawa na natin ito? Natatanda nila lahat yan. Up, down. Up. Down. Up. Derek Ramsey step to Boracay. May alon, di ba? Woo! One more. Urong-tulong. Mami Ting, your favorite. Talaga, favorite? Oo. Tapos step, step, ha? Step, step, back. Pivot. New step. Step cross. Woo, with arms. Okay? Forward with the body language and to the other side. Again. Woo! Hala, kaya-kaya rin siya yan. Go! Woo! Pakabila. Again, tahilang mga Mars. And take to the right. Galingan nyo kasi huling Madonna Day na natin ngayon. Take, up, down, down. Up and down. Alon. Woo! Last time. Urong-tulong. Step, step. Step up. And pivot. Step cross with the arms. Go. Woo! Front. Double. Left. Again. Step cross. Nice one, mga Mars. Last. Diba? Okay. Thank you very much, Madonna, for a fun week. Yes, Madonna. Yan, ha. Gawin lang yan araw-araw ang ating mga dance step. Siguradong Madonna body ay inyong makakamtan na sagot namin. Easy way to sikit. NLP, Chiki Dance ang remedy. Kaso, balitaan ulit tayo sa session. Kasama pa rin si Paolo. Go, Paolo.